when we look at that question around on-site and off-site, we add in the dimension of near-site. It's really important for us to be looking at the overall system and the overall manufacturing and production system to identify what's best for the project, and should that be an off-site solution, near-site, or actually still working on-site, because that gives us the highest productivity and best solution. So logistics has a fantastic opportunity and function to play in oiling the wheels, if you like, of the whole value stream or systems thinking from the end to end of what we're manufacturing through to getting on site. It's really key for us to be able to get the right people in the right places with the right materials and the right tools, so we can make the most and be the most efficient, effective, and produce a high quality outcome. So logistics has a massive role to play in the overall systems thinking and production-led approach. So when we're thinking around improving projects and programs, it's really key not to just do lots of lean things or lean tools, but to be thinking in a lean way across the whole program, the end-to-end of a project or the whole vertical production system. So it's that mindset of challenging, looking for waste, and continuously improving is really key, rather than odd bits and pieces of tools and techniques.
Having really constructive, effective commercial and procurement models in line with things like the construction playbook are essential. They're crucial to enabling the environment that means we can get good, efficient delivery on site. It's really important that the design process really thinks through the construction process and how things will be built as part of the design, which often means bringing in construction expertise alongside the design expertise in the design team. So we achieve higher productivity within the construction industry when everybody on the team, regardless of which company they work for, are all aligned, working together to achieve the outcome, the objectives of that project. And that works best when the commercial framework means that people are comfortable that they're commercially being treated fairly. There's no commercial tension and commercial stress that's affecting their ability to perform, and people can focus their efforts on how do you work together, how do you collaborate to deliver the outcome. Logistics to and from sites are often critical to a project in terms of its schedule, in terms of delivery, what it's there to deliver. So if we take, for example, the Thames Tideway Tunnel project, the tunnelling on site was on the critical path. It is obviously one of the big activities, but the tunnels are only going to get built when the excavated material that gets taken away from the tunnels can get away from site, and the precast concrete rings that line the tunnel come to the site. For any tunnelling project, Tideway is no different. The logistics to site and the logistics away from site drive the critical path. So when we're thinking about high productivity, we have to think about the whole logistics chain, right back to where materials are coming from and where materials are going to, and making sure that we're driving the same productivity and efficiency into the logistics arrangements, the logistics to site, and then once the logistics gets onto site, how they're distributed and how do they get to the work face.